In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Odoo. We'll go through the full process from opening the invoicing area to sending the finished invoice to your customer. If you're new to Odoo, don't worry. This is a straightforward workflow, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very quick. Start by opening the invoicing app from your Odoo dashboard. This is where all customer invoices, payments, and billing related actions are managed. Once you're inside the app, go to the top menu and click Customers. From the drop-down or sub-menu, select Invoices. This will take you to the list of existing customer invoices, where you can review past records or create a new one. To create a new invoice, click New. Odoo will open a draft invoice form. In the Customer field, choose the customer you want to invoice. It's important to select the correct customer first, because Odoo may automatically apply related billing information, such as payment terms or tax settings, based on that customer's profile. Next, set the invoice date. This is the official date of the invoice and is used for accounting and reporting, so make sure it reflects when the invoice is being issued. After that, enter the due date, or, if your process uses predefined payment terms, select the appropriate payment terms instead. This helps make sure the customer knows exactly when payment is expected. Now move down to the Invoice Lines section and click Add a Line. This is where you enter the products or services you're billing for. Add the item name or select the product or service, then enter the price and any applicable taxes. Be careful here, because these details directly affect the final total the customer will see. If the invoice includes multiple items, continue adding more invoice lines as needed. This helps keep the invoice clear and organized, especially when charging for several products or services on the same document. Once all the lines have been added, take a moment to review the invoice amount and all the details. Check the customer, dates, line items, pricing, and taxes to make sure everything is accurate before finalizing it. This quick review can help prevent mistakes and avoid the need for corrections later. When everything looks good, click Confirm. This changes the invoice from draft to posted, which means it becomes an official invoice in Odoo. After that, click Send Message to send the invoice to the customer. And that's how to create an invoice in Odoo. Once you're comfortable with this process, you'll be able to generate and send invoices efficiently with confidence.